Is Next.js really the best choice for your next project? If you have been searching for a modern, faster, more efficient alternative to Next.js, you are at the right place. Here we are going to discuss about an alternate to Next.js which is much more efficient, more simple to develop. It is known as Remix.js. Remix.js is our JavaScript framework to develop websites in a faster manner. In this video, we are going to explore why you should go with Remix than Next.js and how React Router 7 is simplifying all the developer hurdles in the upcoming updates, also in the Remix.js. If you want to know about me, my name is Ishu Sharma. So I have been working with Gartner so far, and it's been like 8 years I'm working in software industry, and I've been working with projects like Gartner Digital Markets, myfonts.com, Social Tables, and here is my work history. So if you want to know about me, you can visit this page. I will also leave this link over the comments section so you can follow. Okay, let's come back to the Remix.js. The question is why you should use Remix.js in 2025 over Next.js. There are many reasons out there, but we are going to discuss some of them. And the first one I want to talk about is it is created by React Router authors. So whatever changes you see in React Router will be automatically coming to Remix.js as well. So you don't need to update your React Router behind the scenes every time you want to upgrade your application. Remix.js handles it for you. And in modern development, if you want to pick a framework, it must support SSR, server-side rendering, right? Remix supports server-side rendering, plus it is more of that. It supports server-first approach. Means like Next.js uses hybrid approach, use client as well as server to make a web page. But here Remix.js use server-first approach means it has built-in server to handle the request submissions or request getting the data. It also helps eliminates the states as well. So you don't need to worry about creating multiple states in your React component. You can have those states in the Remix backend, and you can fetch data accordingly. We will see in upcoming videos how we can do it. It is secure. So the backend bundles not exposed to front-end bundles. So whatever you're storing in the backend part of the Remix.js application, those not going to be exposed in the front end. It is secured. And the best part is if you know the both things, the backend and front end, are going to be present in the same file. So you don't need to create multiple files for the backend and another file for the front end. It is going to be packed in a single file, and you can name it as TSX if you're using TypeScript, or you can use JSX. Cool. Now, it focuses on web fundamentals. So if we talk about traditional web development where we were using PHP in 2005, we use forms to submit data, right? Here also in Remix.js, it supports traditional web development. You use forms to submit data, user fill something, you submit data, and it will get to the Remix backend. It performs operation on the data, and it will give you a new data in some other part of the application which is called as loader. So Remix working is very simple. Loader is going to fetch your data. You show it in the UI, and you submit data to action. And action is going to again go to the loader to revalidate the data, whether loader is fetching the new data and you get the new data in the UI. Awesome. This is very simple to understand. We will see in upcoming videos. Now, fetch APIs. So you don't need to worry about any extra packages in your Remix.js. You don't need to learn anything new. You just need to use your JavaScript native built-in functions to fetch data to perform operation. It is all JavaScript, right? It is nothing else. So you can use fetch APIs. It has built-in file route system. You just need to create files or folders with the name of your route. It will automatically create a route for you, just like Next.js. It is very, very advanced in data handling, but very simple to understand. So you submit a form in the UI, it goes to action. Action again calls a loader to revalidate the data, and loaders give you the new data. Every time this cycle repeats and there is no stalling of data, you always get a new data in your application. It is very much performance centric. It leverages the browser native behavior. So like it is JavaScript, it uses everything from the JavaScript. It doesn't add anything new in the JavaScript for you. And it supports route level code splitting. Route level data handling means route level code splitting is basically splitting your code so that your bundle size is minimal. route level error boundary as well, so that you can have error boundaries in each route with different UI. And the next and best part is you can prefetch everything in the Remix.js, even the route. Like if you are about to open a route by clicking some link in the web page and that is going to open another route, you can prefetch that route data as well so that it will immediately load like a rocket speed. Okay, let's check a Remix website what it says. Focused on web standards, modern web UX, you are simply going to build better websites. That's what I know because I've been working with Remix since 2 years now. And I'm going to teach you everything what I've learned in my 2 years of experience. It is a full stack framework for sure, focused on the user interface, and users handle everything in the backend. You don't need to worry about creating states in the UI, right? Okay, and let's if we talk about nested routes. So it is very simple. Like if you're having a route, you can create a sub route. Maybe if you're creating a folder named sales, it is a route for you, and you create another folder inside it, invoices, it's going to be a nested route for you. And it is very, very much helpful. Like the nested route automatically picks the layout from the parent route. So you don't need to create separate layouts for each of the route. That's what we are going to discuss. See, this is a separate route. This is a separate route. This is a separate route. And there is one big route. This one. That is what we are going to see how we can create those. And it is fast, of course. It leverages caching a lot, and it also prefetches a thing. So you have much faster website as compared to other frameworks. And if we talk about the error boundaries, see, like if you have any of the nested route failing for you, you can just have a separate error boundary for it, rather breaking the wall page, like we used to do in React, right? Awesome. So we are going to discuss everything about Remix. It does support CSS, plain CSS, and currently in my project we are using Panda CSS. It's a modern CSS framework, a CSS in JS solution. Maybe we are going to use plain CSS in this course. Later, I can create another course to use Panda CSS with it. And the current version, it is basically the 2.115.0. But as I've seen, they are going to merge this with the React router very soon. So probably the Remix version is going to be 3 and React Router and Remix are going to be a part of same package. I hope you like this video. If you like, please do subscribe and share it to your friends so that it motivates me to create more content for you, and totally free content. I'm not going to charge anything for sure. Thank you so much. Have a great day, guys.